spending hours searching through endless databases? Drowning in research papers with no time to write your literature review? You need a smarter way to find, organize, and synthesize academic research fast. Introducing Literfy AI. Search multiple databases at once, export papers instantly, get smart alerts, and let AI write your literature review using real academic papers. Literfy AI can revolutionize your academic research. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Alright, so first things first. Open up your web browser and type in literfy.ai. Or if you want to save some time, just click the link I've dropped in the description below. It'll take you straight to the official website. Now, once you're on the site, you'll notice that Literfy is actually a pretty powerful AI tool. What it does is it helps speed up your entire academic research workflow, and I mean really speed it up. You can search for academic papers across all the major databases: Google Scholar, PubMed, Semantic Scholar, you name it. It pulls everything together in one place, which honestly saves so much time when you're trying to finish a literature review. But here's the cool part. It doesn't just find papers for you. It also helps you generate literature review outlines that you can actually edit section by section. You can drag things around, reorder them, basically customize it however you want. Okay, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log in. Just click on the Login button, and if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. Alright, once you're logged in, this is the main interface. Pretty clean, right? Now let's find some academic papers. All you need to do is type in your keywords or your research topic right here in the search bar. So for example, I'm interested in AI for education, so I'll type that in. Next, select which database you want to search. Literfy supports multiple databases, including Google Scholar. You can pick just one, or you can select multiple sources at the same time. Totally up to you. Once you've set everything up the way you want, just hit Enter and it'll start searching for papers. And there we go! After the search finishes, you can collect, cite, or download any of these papers. You can save them to your favorites, generate citations automatically, or if the PDF is available, download it directly. Super convenient. Oh, and here's another handy feature. You can select one or more papers and click Export down here at the bottom right. This downloads all the essential information: title, abstract, journal ranking, impact factors, everything you need. Here's what that looks like. So yeah, that's how you use the paper search feature to find the most relevant studies for your research. Now let's move on to the really cool part, the literature review writing feature. This AI can actually generate comprehensive literature reviews based on real academic papers. Let me show you how. In my case, I'm researching a specific topic, so I'll type in my prompt here, then select the sources I want to pull papers from. I'll go with Google Scholar, PubMed, and Semantic. Next, choose your language. You've got options like English or Chinese. I'll stick with English. Alright, once you've got your preferences set, hit Enter and let it do its thing. Look at that. The system has identified a bunch of papers. You can see here, 287 academic papers have been sourced, and you can browse through the most relevant ones right here. Now, to generate your literature review, just select the papers that are most relevant to your topic. I'm going to pick these ones. Once you select them, boom, it generates an outline for you. And as you can see, this is a pretty comprehensive outline. You can review it, make edits if you need to, whatever works for you. When you're happy with the outline, you can go ahead and generate the full review. I'm satisfied with this one, so let's proceed. Hit Enter, and within just a few seconds, it starts generating a complete manuscript based on your area of interest. Check this out. This is actually a really comprehensive manuscript, and you can even choose between different AI models like Gemini 3 or Gemini 3 Pro Preview. These are the large language models powering the tool. Notice how it cited 10 different studies? If you click on any of these in-text citations, you can see the full reference. Pretty neat, right? Once you're satisfied with your literature review, you can export it to Word. And here it is, the exported version of your paper. You can refine it further if you need to, but honestly, it's already in great shape. Now, there's more. Literfy also lets you use custom templates for your literature reviews. You can upload your own prompts if you want, but they also have pre-existing templates you can use. I'm going to go with one of the existing ones. Let's say I want a systematic literature review. I'll select this template. Once you pick a template, here's what you'll see. It starts with an introduction, then moves into methods, results, and discussion. Standard structure. Let's go with this. Now you'll need to input your area of interest. For me, I'm looking at technology integration in mathematics classrooms, so I'll type that in. Then choose your sources, set your preferences, and hit enter. Within seconds, you'll see all the papers. You can sort them by relevance, year of publication, number of citations, whatever criteria you need. Once you've identified the most relevant papers, just select them. You'll see your selected papers over here on the right under the Basket tab. Alright, now let's generate the review. And there you go! Literfy processes your prompt and generates a comprehensive systematic literature review for you. Look at this! It's well-structured, cites multiple studies. Honestly, this is a really well-written academic manuscript. So yeah, that's how you can use Literfy for your academic work. The pricing details are on the website if you want to check them out. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. For more AI-related content, don't forget to subscribe us. See you in next video. Bye!